y'all, it's T Rochelle here today showing you how to install your Kinkistry clip-ins using Aussie 3-minute moisturizer. So here I'm just taking the bundles and I'm rinsing them with warm water. I'm adding the Aussie 3-minute moisturizer to go ahead and snap the hair back and make it manageable, as you can see here. For this style, I'm going to be using two 24-inch clip-in bundles as well as one 26-inch clip-ins from the Kurlgenics collection. Let me show you how it goes. Step 1, you're going to want to go ahead and part your hair the best that you can. Take those clip-ins and open them up, and you want to measure to see where you need to cut for it to fit. Spray a little water to make it manageable. You want to go ahead and take that clip-in that's been measured, add some of that Aussie 3-minute moisturizer, and twist down. Throughout this whole process, you're going to repeat the same steps. The key is just to make sure that you add enough water and moisturizer so that you are able to twist the hair and make it blend in. So as you can see, it gets a little easier when sectioning off the hair and adding clip-ins where you feel that your hair may need a little more body. In the front is where you're going to use most of your leave out, so you want to make sure that you have a good gel or definer to make sure that that hair can blend in with the rest of the clip-ins that you will be putting. I have a good bit of leave out, but that's because I wanted it that way, so it's really just what you decide. I know it looks a little Squidward-like, but I promise, it gets way better than this. As I untwist my hair, I'm also going to go ahead and add a few more of the 24-inch Kurlgenics clip-ins. And I just want to make sure that my hair is blended. I want to add that Aussie moisturizer at the ends where it matters the most. And we're just going to go ahead and keep combing it downward. Now the easy part, you're just prepping it up, adding a little bit more moisturizer, unraveling your hair for the final slay.